This Monday, of course, marked Memorial Day, a day to remember the veterans that have fallen. Many communities did just that with a range of events, including ceremonies and parades. Monday morning in Cadillac, a brief lakefront salute to sailors was followed by a parade through downtown and a Veterans Memorial Stadium at Cadillac High School. Dozens of groups ranging from the high school band to veterans, public safety, and several local businesses all participated in the parade to show their support for those who have served our country. Crowds gathered downtown and along Chestnut Street on Cadillac's lakefront to watch the parade, with a wide range of onlookers recognizing the significance of the event as they enjoyed the show. Cadillac's Memorial Day parade ended with a speech and presentation by a Vietnam War veteran at Veterans Memorial Stadium.